Hello and welcome to How2FreeAgent. What I'm going to show you this week is how to perform a Contra. Now, you may wonder what a Contra is in the first place. So, for example, in this case, I have £3,000 outstanding from IY Dentistry LLP. They are my customer and they owe me £3,000. Looking in bills, I can see that IY Dentistry LLP owe me £3,000. Rather than me paying them £3,000 in cash and them paying me £3,000 in cash, what we have decided to do, as at the 31st of December 2015, is to cancel these two amounts off against each other, so nobody owes each other anything. So, in FreeAgent, I need to reflect this, because in my bills, it shows that this invoice is overdue, and again, back into my invoicing screen, what it's showing is that this invoice is still overdue to me. So, how do I rectify that? This is in the banking screen. Might be a strange place to look considering there is actually no cash changing hands, but this is the best place to look at it. You can see from the bank account I have two bank accounts set up, a business current account and a business savings account. Now, my business current account automatically imports all of my transactions from my bank account. What I don't want to do is add any manual postings here, otherwise it could have an effect on the data which is imported and the integrity of the data which is imported. So what I'm proposing to do is go to Add New and Bank Account. What I'm going to do is enter a dummy bank account called the Contra dummy account. I need it to be in pounds, which is correct, and I need this to be active. It's not my personal account and I do not want this to be my primary bank account. I won't enter any bank account details here. I have a balance of 0 and I will hit Create New Account. So here we go. I now have the new account set up. Click into this account and what I want to do is, first of all, I want to pay off the invoice which I owe. So I go to More, Add a Transaction. In this transaction, what I want to do is, so this will be money out and it is the payment of a bill. So I need to click on bill payment. Now, as I said before, the date which we agreed to do this was as of the 31st of December 2015. So I type in that, it's £3,000 and then it brings up a list of my bills. IY Dentistry LLP, that's the one, create and finish. And then with the transaction should appear in my bank account as of December 2015, and there it is, a bill payment against IY Dentistry LLP. Next step is to move the receivable, the invoice which is owed to me from my system. So add another transaction, and then all we're doing is posting an equal and opposite money in, money received from a customer, so that is an invoice receipt. Same date as before for the same reasons, the 31st of December 15 for £3,000. Brings up my list of outstanding invoices, IY Dentistry LLP, £3,000, create and finish, and there we have it. Those two amounts are now posted. So if I go back to my bank account summary screen, what I should see in my Contra account is I have a balance of 0, which is correct. If I go into my bills, I should see that IY Dentistry LLP has been paid as of the 31st of December 2015, and on my invoicing screen, I can see that invoice 84, the amount due on IY Dentistry LLP, has been paid to me on the 31st of December 2015.